Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you real and legal ways to get Xbox Game Pass for free. First, open a web browser on your phone or PC and go to the official Xbox website. Sign in with your Microsoft account. If you do not have one, create a free account using your email. This is required for all Xbox services. The most common free option is the Xbox Game Pass trial for new users. If your account has never used Game Pass before, open the Game Pass page and look for a trial offer. Sometimes Microsoft offers 14 days or 1 month for free. If you see the offer, start the trial and confirm it. You may need to add a payment method, but you will not be charged if you cancel before the trial ends. But the trial is not always available. Another legit method is Microsoft Rewards. Go to the Microsoft Rewards page and join for free. You earn points by searching with Bing, answering quizzes, and completing small tasks. Over time, you can redeem these points for an Xbox gift card and use the gift card to buy a Game Pass. This method takes patience but works without spending money. You can also get a free Game Pass through promotions. Some laptops, controllers, headsets, or phones include a free Game Pass code. Check emails from Microsoft, Xbox notifications, or packaging if you recently bought gaming hardware. These are the only safe and legal ways to get Xbox Game Pass for free. Thanks for watching.